goes Ian. And Heath. You guys are going fast, yeah. Going fast. Goldfish. Are you hungry? You gonna race some more? Race? What do you have, Heath?
Ouch.
You have a bus?
Ouch.
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 What?
Ouch.
What does that mean?
Well,
Loud choo-choo? Loud choo-choo? Can you beep its horn? Make it go choo-choo? Here, like this. Choo-choo. What do you have, Heath? You have the bus. Yeah. Does somebody want to take a ride in the bus, Heath?
Duck.
Would somebody like the duck? That's a good idea. Oh, there you go. Good idea. Who else wants to take a ride? Elephant too? Are they going to go to school together? Our friends? Ooh, can anybody else fit? I don't know. The bear? I think the bear's too big. Maybe next time he can ride. Why don't you put him back in his seat? Who's that? The doggy? I don't know if there's any room, Ian. The bus looks like it's full. Okay. He might fall out. The draft might fall out. Okay, we can see how... Oops. Too many animals. Yeah, there's a duck. Can you make the duck sit up? Sit up in his seat? There you go. Yeah. Who else can ride in the seats? The giraffe. Get him in his seat. Uh-oh.
Track.
Uh-oh. All right, guys. Hey, Heath and Ian. Yeah. Mommy's taking a video. Bye-bye, video.